Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all of my sweet, little, energetic, happy students. I hope you're all feeling great and you'll all be grateful for everything you have. Are you all? That is great. Okay. So we're going to start another lecture today. And this is our science class. And remember that we are learning about the seed and germination, right? So we are just quickly going to revise that. We learned about seed and that what's inside the seed. There's outer coat, the seed coat, then there is an embryo in it, and there's a small leaf, that the first leaf which comes out, and then in the seed there is a storage of food that when we put it in the soil, that takes the food from inside and then it comes out, and then the embryo goes down, make the roots, and then the first leaf comes out from the cotyledon, and then that makes the shoot and grows up and makes a plant. Right? And we learned about that the seed needs some things to grow. Plant need a soil, that from that they get nutrients. Plant get, then we water that seed, and then that soak the water, that take nutrient from the water, and it takes nutrient from the air. We have to keep it in a good environment, and then the plant needs proper sunlight. Yes, plant need proper sunlight. So these are the things which a plant need to grow. So then now we're going to talk about the life cycle of a plant, right? This all happened, and then where does it end, or it does not end? It goes and goes and goes and goes like that, right? So we are going to just look into that. So first of all, I'm just going to share a video with you in which I'm going to tell you about the life cycle of the seed, right?
I'm the seed, and this is my life cycle. They fertilize me under the soil, and these brown roots are coming out. The green stem develops, the leaves are born, and the flower is coming out of my stem. Then seed falls again in the soil, and the life cycle of a seed continues with the same process of the roots coming out under the soil, the stem growing up with the leaves and the flower.
Okay. Have you seen that that's an ongoing process, right? Plants start their life as a seed. First, there's a seed. So plant start their life as a seed, which germinates, as we saw, and grows into a plant. So the mature plant, when it is a plant, the complete plant, the mature plant, that produce flowers. Right, most of the plants, they produce flowers. You must have seen now the spring season has about to come. You're going to see a lot of flowers on the plants. Like if it's a lemon tree, a lemon uh, plant, it will fill with flowers. Now, if it's any fruit plant or any flower that blooms in spring, and everywhere we can see flowers, right? So when the plants have flowers, when they grow up and they're mature, they have flowers, and then the flowers fertilize, right? Then from the flowers, the seed comes out. Sometimes we take the seed, sometimes they just fall down, and then they produce, and from that seed, or maybe the fruit, after the flower there is a fruit. Maybe they become a fruit, or the flower has the seeds, right? So if this flower has the seeds, that will fall down, or maybe we can pick it up. Otherwise the flower will turn into a fruit. And then in the fruit, they have seeds in the fruit. Like if it's a mango tree, we have eaten the mango, then there is a seed inside the mango. If you're eating apple, there are black seeds in the apple. If you're eating what do we call it, mandarin or an orange. So when eating orange, we have lots of tea seeds in that. Even banana has seeds in it. Kiwi has seeds in it. So most of the fruits, they have seeds in the fruit, right? The seeds are mostly in the fruit. So then what happens that the plant eventually dies, leaving the seeds, which again germinates and produce new plants, right? So this is an ongoing process which goes and goes and goes. This is non-stop. We grow plants, they grow up, they make flowers, they make fruits, and out of those flowers and fruits, they make seeds. And then from those seeds, another same plant grows. Like from the mango seed, can you grow bananas? No. From the mango seed, the mango plant will grow, right? From the strawberry plant, strawberries will grow. From the guava seeds, the guavas will grow. There will be a guava plant and there will be guavas on that. So whatever seed you're going to put, the same fruit, it is going to give it to us. So that's an ongoing process which goes and goes and goes. So I'm just going to share a picture with you. Now have a look at this picture. Now these pictures explain us about the life cycle. Now on number one, you're going to see we have seed on number one. Now this is the first thing, right? The first thing is the seed. We get it from the fruit, or maybe we have got it from the shop and we want to turn it into a plant. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the seedlings into the soil. See, seed goes into the soil. It is growing nutrient. It is going to get sunlight, air, soil, water. We're going to give it to this. And then comes the baby plant, right? From that seeds comes the baby plant because that is inside the seed. The embryo is inside the seed. The first leaf is inside the seed. So we are going to get the baby plant and then it grows into a plant, a mature plant. And then the mature plant gives us fruits. Yeah, that's a mango tree. Wow. That's a mango tree. So now this mature big tree started giving us the fruit. But yes, before the fruit, there were flowers on this tree. Now you're going to observe if you have a mango tree in your garden or maybe any other tree which has fruit, which is a fruit tree, you're going to observe that first the tree will have flowers and the flowers will fall down, or maybe they are just on the top of that fruit and then as the fruit grows, the flowers get down and then we get a fruit, maybe the guava or apple or mango, right? And then from the mango, what do we get? We get the seed. Yeah, see, this is the ongoing non-stop process, right? And this is how we make more plants, we grow more plants, we grow more fruit and we enjoy the fruit and we say Alhamdulillah. And we're grateful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that He has given us a lot of things that we eat, right? So this is how this the life cycle of plant works, right? Okay, so you got to know that how the life cycle of plants work, right? So this was a science class in which we are learning about the seed, how do they grow, what do they need, and what is the life cycle of a plant or a seed, right? So I am going to say goodbye to you from this class now, and I'm going to see you all in the next class. Till then, I'll say be happy, stay safe, be happy, be grateful for everything, right? I'll see you soon. Okay, goodbye.